Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 17, 2023. 2-star Sudoku. Fifth row with 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade. 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column G we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row. 5th row. Column G we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 9, 8. 6th grade, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. It is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 5. First grade, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 8. 8th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 9, 5. Column I, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 7, 3. Column F, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column E, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 3. 4th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 9. Third row, then column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. In first grid, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, we have 9 and 6. So 9 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, I already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second grid, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.